Hey everybody, today we're in a Ford F-150. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip number 241598. And this is the mount for ProClip holders and action cameras. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First of all, this mount does use some double-sided adhesive. You'll see it under here as this red covering. You want to peel those covers off before you attach the mount to the dash. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount in the future, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second is make sure you install the mount onto the vehicle before you attach anything to this faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. This mount is going to attach in two different places. The first is way up by the windshield where the defroster vent is. It's going to attach into that lip on the defroster vent. The second place is right over this piece of the vent here. So it's pretty simple. You're going to take this J-shaped edge and we're going to hook that in by the defroster vent. And now we need to kind of press the top to keep it in place and at the same time pull on the faceplate so we can get this lip down into the vent here. There we go. Now that the mount's in place, you have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder and your choice of action camera right up here. All right, so we have a GoPro housing with the slotted mount on the bottom, and we're going to insert the camera and close it up. And now we can attach it to the mount. As you can see, we've already got the ProClip action camera adapter number 215027 on the mount. So now we just take our GoPro, we're going to slide it into the slots, and we're going to use the screw that came with the GoPro housing to attach it. Now that we have the camera attached, we can tilt it or rotate it. And once we have it where we want it, we can use the screwdriver to lock it into place. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.